Hi everyone, welcome to Food in a Flash. I'm Coach Callie from the Health Promotion Department at Group Health Cooperative. Today's topic is on cherries. So before we get started, here are a couple highlights about cherries. There are over 900 types. They're grown in both sweet and tart varieties. Cherries are high in antioxidants and have strong anti-inflammatory properties. And cherries are incredibly versatile in baking and cooking. Cherries per 1 cup are about 90 calories. Per 1 cup, they are also about 22 grams of carbohydrates, 3 grams of fiber, and about 1.5 grams of protein. As far as vitamins and minerals, cherries are chock full of them. They provide about 16% of the daily recommended value of vitamin C. Vitamin C protects the cells from free radical damage, boosts the immune response, and supports healthy skin and bones. Cherries also provide about 9% of daily recommended intake of potassium. Potassium is essential for heart, brain, kidney, and muscle function. Cherries also provide a modest amount of other different vitamins and minerals, including calcium, manganese, and vitamin K, which all play a vital role in bone health and blood clotting. Cherries have numerous health benefits. Their main health benefit is that they promote heart health. The high levels of potassium in cherries support healthy blood vessels, which can decrease the risk of stroke and lower blood pressure. Cherries also reduce inflammation. The antioxidants in cherries can decrease pain, swelling, and cell damage in the body. In fact, cherries can be more effective for pain relief than aspirin. For instance, tart cherry juice alleviates muscle soreness after exercise and relieves joint pain associated with gout, which is a painful arthritic condition. Cherries also aid in weight loss. They are low in calories and high in fiber. Not only do they keep you satiated throughout the day, but they also prevent fat storage, particularly in the abdominal region. Cherries also lower the risk of diabetes and certain cancers. The antioxidants in cherries can regulate blood sugar levels, significantly lowering the risk of diabetes. And in addition, they eradicate normal cells in the body that influence cancer growth, specifically in the lungs and colon. Finally, cherries are excellent for sleep quality. They are critical in the production of melatonin, which is a hormone that regulates the sleep cycle. Frequent consumption of cherries can improve sleep quality and ease patterns of insomnia. The season for cherries depends on the area and climate. In Wisconsin, the prime season for sweet cherries is June and July. Sour cherries can be in season from June to August. Couple shopping tips for cherries. It's crucial to select cherries that are firm, shiny, and predominantly red. Avoid cherries that are soft, dull, or bruised. The color of the cherry will depend on the variety. Sweet cherries are larger and heart-shaped. Their color can range from golden red to dark purple. Sour cherries are smaller and globe-shaped. Their color is typically a bright red. A good rule of thumb when purchasing cherries is that the sweetest cherries are larger in size and darker in color. Cherries can also be purchased frozen, canned, dried, or juiced. As far as storing cherries, they perish quite quickly, so they should be refrigerated as soon as possible. They will keep in the refrigerator for 7 to 10 days. Cherries should be stored loosely with little pressure to promote air circulation. Avoid washing cherries or removing the stems prior to storing. And then there are various ways to prepare cherries. The most common way is to eat them raw, so you can enjoy them for a healthy snack or eat dried cherries in trail mixes. You can blend them, so you can add them fresh or frozen cherries to smoothies with leafy greens or berry blends. You can bake them in pies, cobblers, muffins, or cheesecake. They can be added as condiments or to condiments, so you can dice or blend them for salsa, barbecue sauce, mustard, or preserves. You can add them to your breakfast as well. Cherries are great for oatmeal, yogurt parfaits, or pancakes. And you can top off pretty much anything with cherries. A couple fun items to top them off are frozen yogurt, salads, or rice bowls. Cherries can also be blended into sauces for chicken or pork. And a tip for preparing cherries, sour cherries are ideal for cooking and baking, while sweet cherries are perfect for cold dishes, such as salads and smoothies. And I did include a little cheat sheet for you to distinguish between the two. So that's it on cherries. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any additional questions about cherries, just message me in the chat. Have a great day, guys.